So, how are you going to use AI? Do you want to learn how to fish, or do you want to be just given a fish? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen 𝐻𝐾 of Profit Minds, and today I'm going to talk to you about a new offering that we have for people who just want to be given fish. Because sometimes, you think the AI is just too complex and you can't learn it. Well, you can, but if you don't want to, we can help you. What we do for every person in every role is to create a matrix of your deliverables, all the different areas that you're responsible for and all the different kinds of things that you need to do. And then we look at your KPIs. What are your numerical goals? And what are the things that you could do to improve those indicators? And finally, are there any professional frameworks for you in your role? And you can take all three of those 8x8 matrices. It seems like a lot. It's 192 spots. You tell us which one of those things you want to do this week, and we'll give you the prompt that you can plug into your AI of choice and get it done. If you want to learn more, reach out to me. The link is below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.